Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for another plan with me. We're going to be doing April 29th through May 5th, and today I'm going to be using this beautiful floral washi tape and a couple of sheets here that I got from Daiso. So picked these two up, thought it would be fun to go ahead and use and make a very pretty spread. So first things first, I'm gonna add the washi, and I'm gonna put that right down on the bottom here. And let's see if I could get my gift card, and we'll use that to tear today. This is just such a pretty tape. And I'm going to do this one here. And it's so pretty, I think I'm going to use it up at the top as well. Pull this one down just a little bit. Look at how gorgeous. And then this one as well. Oh, that one didn't tear very well. I wasn't paying attention. I was looking elsewhere. So there we go. Look how pretty that is. All right. So now we get to get these people out. Well, it's only one person. The rest are like little notes and stuff like that. So I'm going to take this out to just get under there. And I definitely want this girl. Like it comes off pretty easy. I guess I don't need that. I'm going to put her right there just to start us off. And look how well those colors just go together. Do a good fortune here. I think I'm going to take this one and just overlap some of them to just be really pretty. There's nothing makes a man so adventurous as an empty pocket. Oh, so true, right? Life is a voyage. Now again, I'm thinking about where I may have some things to do. My Thursday afternoon is kind of open. This is cute. I do need to prep for a little tea party. So I will, when will I do that? I guess I will do that here. Let's do it right here. These are so cute because they're just little teeny tiny reminders here. I'm going to put this one. This one says, "What did I dream?" These are kind of clouds, but I think I'm going to put them here. And then add this one here. And then this one right here, I'm going to add as well. At a bit of an angle. I love that these are clear, so you can kind of move them around if you want. I'm going to add this one here that says, "Just be yourself." There, and then add this one right there. I love that they have these different little things that can make it look just, I don't know, I can't even, it just gives texture, I guess. This one says, "Hope is a waking dream." We just get to move these and put them all around, put them together. I think this one's gonna go, maybe. Yeah, it'll have its own box. Things will turn out fine. They always do, right? So pretty. Oh, I'll definitely put this on Fridays where it says there's better things to do. So I'll put that here because that is piano day. I love being able to spend that time with my grandsons. I'm going to try and pick this little guy up here. It might be really good sticker quality. Okay, I am able to get it up a little bit. And just that little bit brings out, it just makes it pop a little bit. And there we go, that one's all done. We've got a few more here. I think I want to bring this girl. Should have put her down a little bit later. But this is so pretty. here we just have kind of little things that you don't even really need, but I think I'll put this one right here. And I have 3 little stickers that are all just for kind of show, right? So we'll put one there. I think we'll stick this one like that. I don't know that I need this one. I don't know that I need this one. But I guess I kind of do. So I'm going to move this up so I can have a little bit of something here on Monday. And there we go. And I think what I could do is to bring in a little bit of this peach or this gray, not gray, kind of crumb color. Maybe we could use the petal pink and just add, oh yeah, very pretty. Just add some lines to bring that color in. Just like that, and then maybe add some dots here. So pretty. That color goes so well and just makes it all last here. So this will be my things to do list. So I'll just add some dots here. Now we have our list of what we want. I think we'll kind of be done here. As well. Maybe add a little bit of color here. Go. And then of course you can just add some dots here and there to bring everything together. If you have any areas that kind of look like they might need yeah, very pretty. All right, well that was quick and easy. Let me know what you think, And like I said, these were at Daiso. They had multiple packs of different sticker sets, and I just thought this one was really cute and would make a nice spread for the week, especially with this pretty rose washi. So if you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more. I do these each week, and I hope you have a wonderful week. All right, beauties, take care. Bye.